The Tesla Model S relies on a 12-volt battery to power essential systems like the touchscreen, key fob, and door mechanisms. When this battery dies, you can't open the frunk using normal electronic methods. This is a problem because the 12-volt battery is located under the frunk, making it difficult to jumpstart. We'll show you how to overcome this, even on newer 2020 Plus models. Every Tesla Model S comes equipped with a mechanical key hidden inside the key fob. This key provides a backup method for accessing your vehicle when electronic systems fail. To use the mechanical key, first locate it within the key fob by sliding or popping open the cover. Then, insert the key into the driver's side door lock and turn it to unlock the door physically. Once you're inside the vehicle, locate the manual frunk release handle. This is typically found under the dashboard on the driver's side, near the steering column or footwell. With the handle located, simply pull it firmly to mechanically release the frunk latch. This method works as long as the 12-volt battery has enough charge to disengage the latch after pulling the handle. If the 12-volt battery isn't completely dead, try using the key fob or key card. Double-click the frunk button on the key fob. Alternatively, hold the key card against the designated spot on the driver's side door pillar. This might work if there's enough residual power to activate the frunk release solenoid. Note, the key fob needs to be close to the vehicle during this process. For completely dead batteries on older Model S vehicles from pre-2019, the tow hook access point can provide a way to jumpstart the 12-volt auxiliary battery. First, locate the tow hook cover on the front bumper. It's a small rectangular plastic panel. Use a screwdriver or coin to carefully pry it open. Behind the cover, you'll find a service access panel that reveals the positive terminal of the 12-volt battery. With the service access panel exposed through the tow hook, you'll see the 12-volt battery's positive terminal. Connect the red positive clamp of your jumper cables directly to this exposed terminal. Then, attach the black negative clamp to a bare metal bolt on the car's chassis for proper grounding. Finally, connect the other ends of the cables to a jump pack or another vehicle's battery to restore power to the 12-volt system. Once the jumper cables are connected, wait a few minutes to allow the 12-volt battery to gain some charge. Then, try opening the frunk using the interior release handle or the key fob. If it opens, disconnect the jumper cables in reverse order, negative first, then positive. Replace the service access panel and tow hook cover. Before attempting any of these methods, wear insulated gloves to protect against electrical hazards and prevent accidental shocks. Be extremely careful to avoid creating sparks when connecting or disconnecting jumper cables, especially near the battery, where flammable gases may be present. Do not connect the jumper cables to the high-voltage system under any circumstances, as this could cause serious damage to the vehicle or create dangerous electrical faults. If you're unsure about any step in the process, consult Tesla's official documentation or seek assistance from professional technicians to ensure safety. Looking ahead, Tesla is shifting towards software-driven solutions that may eliminate the traditional 12-volt battery in future vehicle models, reducing maintenance needs. App-based diagnostics are becoming increasingly common, allowing owners to monitor battery health remotely and receive guidance on potential issues. For current Model S owners, consider replacing the standard 12-volt battery with a lithium-ion version, which is more reliable and less likely to fail unexpectedly. Additionally, aftermarket solar-powered trickle chargers can be used to maintain the 12-volt battery's charge, preventing dead battery situations during extended storage.